Hey, it's Tarantula Zoo here. Sorry I haven't made any videos in like 4 days. It's because I was sick. I had a sore throat and stuff. So, yeah, but I'm feeling better now. So, make a video on my leopard gecko tank. There's no leopard gecko in it, but I'll probably be getting them in less than a month now. Because we're going to Hawaii. Going to Hawaii in 2 days now, so that'd be fun when we're there. I can make some herping videos of the geckos there and everything, so that'd be really fun. Can't wait until we go. And yeah, so as you can see, I just got some new green carpet stuff instead of paper towel. It looks way nicer. And if you're wondering about that right there, it's just rice because the humidity is way too high. I'm just trying to get it down, and that's what they say to get the humidity down, so I'm just trying it. And I got some Repashy Calcium Plus for vitamins and stuff, so I'll use that. And I just need some plants, more plants and stuff. So, yeah. This is I'll get the box really quick. This is the box, the stuff. It's Zilla, the brand, and then terrarium liner. Not sure why they picked up corn snake, because corn snakes would not like that. So, yeah. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll be back with new videos. Bye.